Peace, love, and blessings, family. What's up, everyone? This is yours, Mugi, and you're watching me right and direct on Candid Farmers. I'm down here in a goat shed, right? And we're working people. Something's going on. You see, these men are chasing down and marking goats, putting marks around their necks. That tells you we are carrying out an exercise of goat selection. So we are trying to acquire goats for our farm. So we are selecting high potential mothers, and we came with a vet. All right, this guy right here is assisting us. Yeah, the one wearing. Okay, we have a vet right here with us, and he's assisting us to select high potential mothers for breeding on our farm. So guys, enjoy this video. Peace, love, and blessings, family. Man's out in the jungle, and I'm liking what I see. And I'm gonna show you what I am seeing right now. So we are visiting a goat farm. See what I'm saying? There you go. We are visiting a goat farm, and we have started our acquisition process. So we're out here to look at some of these goats, and we have our expert, our veterinary advisor, and he's going to be telling us what's up here and what's the best breed that we can get on this farm. This farm is located in Kamuli. And I'm amazed by the love. Look at these goats. Look at the kids. They came out very fast to suckle their mothers. And it's very, what should I say? It's very, because among the many goats, these kids are able to identify their mother. Lord of mercy, because I am loving what I'm saying right now. Right over your soul. So here we go. So I've been telling you guys, and I want you to see it for yourself. The nature of your goat house.
This is junior grass.
Junior grass.
Junior grass.
Junior grass.
Yes. Mukonzi.
Ah.
They love it so much.
Okay.
It's very palatable.
Okay.
Very palatable. It can live there.
Okay. So guys, on this farm, this is the goat shed. You know, I don't know if I have been, but I've been, telling myself that, look, it doesn't do you good building a very expensive goat shed. You would rather save some of that money and, buy goats. My man here has a very modest, very basic goat shed, and he's doing well. Look how good looking his goats are. with a very simple goat shed. Just a roof over their head, and that's it. So this is the model that I myself is following. No need to spend a lot of money on a goat shed. Just make sure that your farm is profitable. Give them the basics that they need, and then get the most out of the goats. Look, not raised, nothing, just a roof, and that's it. So anyway, guys, on this farm, my man has a total of 90 goats and 10 kids. So altogether 100 goats. Dear Lord of mercy, we have some chicken right here too. Anyway, let us have a look at these goats and I'll be back with you. So we are selecting goats, and on this farm it's mostly, or it's we don't have pure breeds on this farm. We have mixed breeds of Mubende. Anyway, I don't want to miscommunicate. Like on this farm, they don't have pure breeds. Okay, they are mostly mixed between South African Boer and local goats here in Uganda. Then there are also Mubende. There is Mubende, and then purely local breeds, no purely exotic breeds. So let us, we have our man right here who is a vet and is helping us identify high potential mothers.
Katusooka tubone dino wano memalayi nga tulikwetaaga eyo yona. Alo? Tujja kwetaaga needo kuba dino eno diri process, tulikwetaaga nipiwa. Tulikwetaaga yo kunipiwa dino process, tulikwetaaga yo kunipiwa. Tulikwetaaga yo kunipiwa deni, nipiwa breed.
There are very many.
No, only 5 goats will be sufficient for us.
So there are so many factors you need to consider while selecting mothers, high potential mothers, to give you twin babies, and also all 3. I was also told about some goats that give 4 babies at once. Can you imagine? Obeera okubye jackpot n'omala ofuna embuzi ng'ezaala bunabuna. So that is why we hooked up with this vet doctor. So guys, anytime you're not an expert in anything, you need to consult the expert. So several things that you look at: the titties, the tail, the length of the goat, the age of the goat, very many things. I'm not an expert, I'm learning my thing. I will be an expert though very soon. So guys, what do you think about this video? Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think. Our exercise is going pretty good of a selection of mothers. So this is it, people. Look at these goats fighting. All right, I'll see you in another video. Peace. I'm out.